timers, it's me, Lily, and today
What was that?
beef fail. Okay, anyways, as I was saying, today we are going to be building a house. Anyways, it's a build off again. We love build offs, don't we?
No.
Michaela, get in the spirit, will you? I literally feel like I'm on national TV because I have a microphone in my hand. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna mute the call because I'm gonna go get a drink. Okay, I'll be right back, Michaela. Okay, guys, I just muted the call, but I'm here to tell you that we're doing a prank on her. So I'm just gonna be copying everything she does, except from the color of the walls and the color of the things, and it's gonna be so funny. So this is gonna be epic. Okay, I'm back.
I'm doing the side that's closest to the road.
Okay, I'll do the right side then, because it's right.
It's the right one.
Yes. Okay.
Start now.
Start whenever you're ready.
Starting.
Okay. So we have to mute because obviously we can't copy each other. So, okay, guys, this is going to be so exciting because I'm copying her. So we've got 4 across, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. Okay, this is literally so exciting. She's going to literally be shook when she sees it. She's just going to think it's a coincidence, hopefully.
No.
Yeah?
It kicked me out of Roblox again.
Okay, guys, after this technical difficulties, I'm going to pause the video and once again come back when we finished our houses. This is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye, guys!